I am going to be unboxing my 15-inch MacBook Pro with Retina display. And let's go ahead and unbox this. And this is the first time I am unboxing this computer and doing it myself and so on and so forth. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. The camera is down. This is the there we go. Got it. Here we go, guys. I can't turn this back now. Let's get the cellophane off. But, yeah. Can't turn back now, guys. I can't believe I got the 15-inch MacBook Pro in my hand. Here we go, guys. I only could do this video one time. There's my 15-inch MacBook. The cellophane's going all over my bed. Get in a little bit. Here's the computer. Why does the box feel so heavy? Here's my 15-inch MacBook Pro. It's thin. Here's the MagSafe port, Thunderbolt, two Thunderbolt, no, wait, MagSafe, the hard drive, not the hard drive, not the hard drive, the MagSafe, two micro Thunderbolt ports, USB, headphone jack. This one does not have a hard drive in it. The SD card, the memory card, the HDMI, and another USB. Whoops. SD card, the memory card, HDMI, and another Thunderbolt port. And we'll set that off to the side. I got the power plug with the MagSafe plug in here. This was my last present to open because I knew I would be excited. Yeah, MagSafe 2 power adapter. But my old one had, I can't show it to you, but I will insert a picture. Here's the little plug. Right here. And yeah, the extra cable. I think I got this, yeah, there we go. Extra power cord, which I have a bunch of these. And the manual. Let's cut the thing upside down. A little pamphlet. Let's see. MacBook Pro Quick Start Guide. It shows you how to use your MacBook Pro, which I'm already... Okay. Yes. Okay, here's... MagSafe, 2 Thunderbolt ports. Memory card, HDMI, and another USB 3.0 port. And yeah. MacBook Pro info, and all these Apple stickers, and a branding of the Apple cleaning cloth. But I'm gonna keep it in there until I need it, with the branding on it. And yeah, you guys don't want to see that, but yeah, let's go ahead and set the laptop box off to the side. I'm gonna do this, guys. Can't believe I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna break the seal. So I'm in the frame, which the computer is in the frame. I can't pull you guys back any further. There. I can't turn back now, guys. I love that sound. And let's pull this out of the plastic from the Mac. Here we go, guys. Can't turn back now. Holy crap. They put the plastic on here for shipping. Wait. So I'll open the lid. Can't believe can't turn back now, guys. Here is the power cord switch. And yeah, this one has a trackpad, force trackpad. Can't turn back now, guys. I'm actually gonna do this. It's the same thing as my MacBook Pro. Yes, I want my computer in English. United States. There we go. Might be too bright for the cursor. I can't believe I got a bigger screen. United States of America. Let me go get my password and I will be back, guys. Okay, guys, I just got all that agree. Yes. Sorry, guys, it's my family outside putting my grandma in the wheelchair. Or taking her back to the home. Come on. It's creating my account. It's, yeah. I lost it. Setting up my Mac. And it has a 720p front-facing camera. Can't talk. I believe I got a bigger computer.
Yeah, I do that. Yeah, just pull it. Yep.
There it is, guys. There's my Mac. Look how big it is. Where's my Final Cut Pro? Better be on here. Oh, there it is. There it is, guys. I'm all up and loaded. There's my Final Cut Pro, which I'm going to use later. This is going to be so much faster. Yep, this one has Capitan, which I'm already used to. Store, I have, yeah, I'm going to keep that on a minimal side. I can't believe I got a bigger computer. Let's see. All the icons. How much battery? 7 hours. Holy crap. There is my, let's see if it has the Apple. I can't believe I opened my big baby. Keep this on the minimum low side. Yep, there's all the applications. The trackpad, I love the trackpad. I'm gonna get most of this off my dock. I'm gonna do Final Cut Pro, which I'm gonna put next to, where is iMovie? I don't think iMovie's on here. Yes, it is. It's right there, but no. It's on my application. I'm like, Let's see if I have to log. Nope, I still want to log in. That was. I love my computer. I don't watch much TV, guys. Most of the time, I'm on my laptop. Yep, welcome to Safari. I know how to use Safari. I'm not kidding. That's all my icons. Everything transferred over, which I'm happy. Yeah, get Google up. Check my mail. And yeah, that was my unboxing and my review of my 15-inch MacBook Pro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you guys have any questions on anything I got tonight. And I will see you guys in my next video, which I'm going to use Final Cut Pro for. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of my MacBook Pro 15-inch. Bye, guys.